The circular knitting machines weave to achieve our signature earth tones.
Expert seamstresses and From the field to the fiber, we harness the
It is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. But transforming hard bamboo stalks into incredibly soft, breathable. Harvested sustainably without killing the root system, the raw bamboo is rushed to the processing facility to begin its transformation.
Before the fibers can be extracted, the hard stalks must be mechanically crushed and chipped.
Inside massive biovats, a closed-loop organic solvent breaks down the hard bamboo chips into pure, soft cellulose. Washed, stretched, and dried, the hard bamboo wood has successfully become a cloud of ultra-soft, fluffy fiber. The fluffy bamboo fiber is incredibly soft, naturally antibacterial, and ready to be spun into premium yarn.
Spun at blinding speeds, the ultra-fine bamboo yarn is wound onto massive spools, preparing for the great looms.
The circular knitting machines weave a breathable, moisture-wicking fabric that feels as soft as luxury silk. To achieve our signature earth tones, the fabric is dyed using highly advanced, zero water waste, eco-friendly pigments.
The fabric is stretched flat and baked in a massive oven, heat setting the vibrant green color so it never fades. Luxuriously soft and vividly colored, the rolls are sent to the cutting room to become shirts and hoodies. Expert seamstresses and high-speed automated sewing machines bring the garments to life.
Steamed, inspected, and folded. Every garment is a triumph of sustainable engineering. From a towering bamboo forest to your everyday wardrobe, clothing that breathes, moves, and protects the earth.
Experience the ultimate comfort and breathability with bamboo weave. So soft, it feels like a second skin on the trail.
From the field to the fiber, we harness the power of bamboo. Experience the future of fabric with the new Bamboo Weave Hoodie.